me. Some through me, some through others, some directly. So on the day of judgment, you cannot complain to God. At least you cannot complain. You cannot go and tell God, I didn't know about Islam.
Yeah, I cannot. Yeah.
You cannot.
Yeah, I cannot.
Because you may be having more knowledge of Islam than many Muslims born in Muslim families.
Yeah. Agree.
Because the way you're quoting Quran, the way you're asking me question, I'm sure.
Yeah.
So now, after reading so much about Islam, and yet if you don't accept, Allah will question you.
Yeah.
You have no excuse whatsoever. The other non-Muslim will deal with them afterwards.
Yeah.
Let's talk about you first.
Yes.
You have no question at all on the day of judgment.
I have. I can say there were a few things which I did not get the right answers
No,
to.
there are many Muslims who are born in Muslim family, not few, have many questions which are not answered.
Yes.
You have few, they have many. So you are in a better position. You cannot complain to God. You have few questions not answered.
I would give God that these are the basis because they did not get answered. That's why I did not accept it. If I don't accept it, maybe I will later. I don't know.
Which question you don't have? Tell me now. Tell me now. Come on. You can tell God, Dr. Zakir Naik asked you in front of 20-30,000 people. What question you don't know about the Quran? Come on.
First of all, the answer that you gave that it is because of media and blue films. I know small kids who don't even have access to that, and still they have those.
Which kids? Name them. What nonsense you're talking? I'm a medical doctor. What do you know? Are you a medical doctor?
I have seen it.
Are you a medical doctor?
Well, let me tell you.
Are you a medical doctor? Yes or no?
I'm not. I'm an engineer.
I'm a medical doctor. Fine.
Okay.
Now you are telling a doctor you have seen. If I tell you that I have seen a building made of paper, come in Bombay. I have seen a building, the pillars were made of paper. Will you believe in it?
I won't. I have not seen it.
So finish.
Yeah.
See, this is the first ahli zikri in Kuntulat Talamun. Ask the person who knows. No, I have seen, you have seen. Does it carry weight?
Yeah.
I have seen a building made of paper. Will you believe?
No, but your point is that it's only because of media. But I know.
Point is it is not genetic. There is no scientific proof at all. It is genetic. I'm telling you.
Right.
What I'm telling you, it can be one of the reasons.
Yeah.
There can be 20 other reasons.
Right.
One of the reasons can be media.
Yeah.
You tell me it can't be media, I'll disprove you.
Right.
One of the reasons can be media.
Right.
Fine?
Yeah,
very good.
Actually, I have to go through all the other questions.
Very well, go through.
And I will need some time, and then
take your time.
I will do it.
But hope it's not too late. I don't know how long I'm going to live.
But see, if I die in the state of getting more knowledge, then I can always tell God that I was just getting more and more knowledge.
You cannot. I'm telling you, you cannot. I will give Shahada on the day of judgment. I give you a chance. You cannot. See, I don't know I'm going to live tomorrow or not.
See, 90% of my questions are answered, but I have to go through more things.
People accept Islam with 10% acceptance. So that girl. According to me, you have more knowledge than all the people who accepted Islam, according to mine.
Yeah, that's true. Maybe that's true. But my principle is, unless I'm 100% clear, I will not take such a big step. I will only take that big step if I'm 100% clear.
Many things you did in life without knowing 100%. Did you know how much you're going to earn in Dubai that you came here 100%? Yeah.
See, that way I'm ready to say the thing. But the thing is, I've seen some Muslims who say that if you have an iota of doubt, then you're not a Muslim. So
who said that?
They say if you have...
Are you going to follow the Quran or are you going to say some Muslim? Forget about Muslims.
No,
you want to judge?
You have to believe it in 100%. Even if you have 99% faith.
Who said that? Who said that? Does the Quran say that?
It doesn't say that.
You follow Quran, don't follow the other Muslims. Don't follow me also, follow Quran.
So if I tell you that I believe that Prophet Muhammad was a prophet of God 90% and 10% I have doubts, am I a Muslim?
See,
you tell me that.
Do you believe in messenger or not a God? Other doubts are separate.
I believe in one God and I believe in his messengers.
90%.
I believe in his, yes, 90%.
Which 10% you don't believe? Tell me now, I'll clarify that.
I can't recall those questions now.
Why?
Yeah,
so you can't recall? This is escapism.
No, not really. I am true to my heart. I am not escaping.
I am not asking you to accept Islam. I'm not asking you.
I know.
I'm only telling you, if God forbid something happens to you before you accept Islam, you will not be forgiven. I'm only telling you an advice.
I'm not being prejudiced here. I'm being true.
Take your time. Take your time. When you need me, you can call me on the email.
Sure.
Zakir@irf.net. My pleasure to reply to you, brother.
How do you spell IRF?
IRF.net.
IRF.net. Okay.
It's a short form for Islamic Research Foundation.
Right, okay.
Yes, or you can watch me on Peace TV.
Sure.
Inshallah.
All right, okay. Thank you so much. See you next time.
Inshallah.